downloaded Pokemon today. I mean, I understand the obsession, not really obsession, I do understand the topics people are into. I mean, what the hell, like a living game where you actually pretty cool, but I can't even control it. And I have it. I think it's pretty cool. There's really yeah, I'm trying to find me off. My life. I've decided to change diving that. Yeah, but anyway, um, you know, I need to really child like everything fine. Let's just stop my head actually. Yeah, I should. I just want. I've been like obsessed with PLL. I don't know, stop watching it. So anyway, it's fun. A chat room to do something special. Yeah, you email. Yeah, so that's my I don't get any contact all the time. But and but anyway, so this video is gonna probably end like music, but I just wanted to say that you guys can go ahead, comment down below your using names or just add me or whenever you add me to message me on inbox and you send it up to me featured in What do you look for in an antiperspirant? It's just every word. Try is everything.